Next up, I want to talk about social content. Now, when a lot of people think about social content, they think it's this little, some people say, oh, it's social content. What do I need this for? It's for kids, or it's for Instagram or TikTok and all this shit. Wipe your brain of that mentality in terms of like that social's not for business. If you have it, some of you are already using it and that's awesome, and I'm sure you can see the results from it, but let me just break down why, whether you're B2B or B2C, why social's so important. And I'm gonna start with that whole client psychology, customer psychology. How many of you, if you've heard of a brand or you check somebody out, you Google them first and then you go to their social to see what they look like, what they sound like, right? How many of you have validated a buying decision based upon that social look? What they look like? Are they posting recently, or did they post something a year ago? Oh, they're not relevant. I'm not working with them. This shit looks corny, right? Social media is an extremely viable way to promote your business and build brand awareness and stay in front of your customers and stay relevant. It doesn't matter what business you're in. You know what I mean? I know there's Fortune 100, there's Fortune 500. I know some of the largest construction companies in the world that have some of the best social media feeds there are. I know some of the best orthodontists in the world that have some of the best social feeds there are. And because of this, their client base continues to grow and grow and grow and grow, right? It does not just stop at your website. You know what I'm saying? For some of you, they might even get to your website unless your social's there. So I say all that to say that making sure that you have marketing dedicated to consistently growing your social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever it is, making sure it's consistent, making sure that it's cohesive, and making sure that it speaks to your audience and delivers value. Don't make it all about you. What are your content buckets? Whether you have one content, two content, three content buckets. One of them may be to educate. One could be you just having fun. The other could be about your different services you provide. It depends on your business. But whether you do it or you have someone like Indie Rap Social Club do it, you definitely need to have a curated social feed that, again, it's going to help you build trust with your customers, whether that, with new customers. For your customers that you already have or existing customers, you're just staying in front of them, staying relevant. If you might release a new product, you might release a new service, you know what I mean? And you post that and you could have a customer say, oh shit, I didn't know they did that. Let me reach out to my account manager or my sales rep and see if I could use that for my needs. I can't tell you how many calls I get, every week, every other week. Oh yeah, I've been following you on social for a while. We're finally ready to do some video. Can you help? Absolutely. You know what I'm saying? And it's because we're constantly posting content. No, we're not getting a million likes. No, we're not doing all that. But we are engaged with the people that buy from us, right? The people that are on the Indie Rap social media, the people that are on our client social media, they are buyers. They're not ghost followers, they're not fake followers. You want to be building social currency with actual buyers, right? You want to be building a following of people that can actually buy from you. Creating content for those people, not just putting out crappy content to put it out. No one cares. And when someone goes to your page that has never heard of you and there's just a bunch of random content, they don't really know what you do. It's not curated. It's like, what do these people do? Are they real? Is it, you know what I'm saying? So there's a science that goes into this stuff. You have to have your social media curated. It has to have what are you actually trying to do? What are your actual goals by posting 3 times, 4 times, 5 times a week? These are things that you need to think about. This is super important. And it is, again, you have your website, you have foundational content, you have social content. These are all drivers. These are all different buckets. Always compared to Walmart. How many shelves can you put your product on in Walmart? This is another shelf. You know what I mean? As a brand, as a business owner, I'm putting that Indie Rap product on as many shelves as you can potentially put it on, right? Because every one of those shelves offers up another opportunity to grow my business, to gain new customers, to get new clients. So do not leave social media out of that list in terms of like your rebrand for 2021 or making sure your brand is locked and loaded to go into 2021 strong. Social media is key to growing your business.
Welcome to Indie Rap.